a crawl space, and as you can see, there's screens have been put in, but there's the gaps right there. So our mice, rats gonna have a hard time, but roaches are getting in. We're having a major problem with roaches. There's a pipe underneath. This is in the crawl space, so this needs to get sealed. This is pretty good, not a problem. But then we get over here to these large doors, and they look like they're tight, but they're not. Look at the gap right there. American roaches are getting in through that gap. We go over here, and we see the same problem. That right there is enough for mice to get through. So when we're doing exclusion, we got to consider, are we doing exclusion for insects or vertebrate pests or other pests that might be able to get in. We'll go over here. Let me show you. There, that needs to be repaired. That's how they're getting into the attic, is the screens are damaged. So all of those screens are damaged in a lot of places. And then we got more crawl space vents on this side, and this is classic. There's a screen there, but you can see there's holes. And there's holes underneath there. So all of this, in order to stop American cockroaches from coming in, needs to be repaired. And that's the major problem we have here. We're not having animal problems. We're not having rodent problems. Mostly it's going to be American roaches. Very hard for a rodent to get vertical underneath there.